Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to write a strong LinkedIn post in 2025. Whether you want to stand out on LinkedIn, here's on how to post that actually gets seen. First is hook them fast. Your first line should grab attention. Ask a question, make a bold statement, or share a surprising stat. For example, I almost quit freelancing last year. Here's what changed everything. Just something like that. Two is to add real value. Share a lesson, experience, or tip others can learn from. Be authentic and not salesy. Third is to break it up. Use short paragraphs, bullet points, or emojis to make it easy to read. Fourth is invite engagement. End with a call like action. What's your biggest LinkedIn challenge? Agree or disagree? Something like that too. Fifth is use relevant hashtags. Stick to 2 to 4 hashtags relevant to your niche, like for example, hashtag marketing tips, hashtag career growth. Post consistently too, especially on weekends in the morning. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.